Using advanced ray tracing technology, we designed a disinfection chamber that provides 360-degree sanitation to kill 99.99% of bacteria. The HomeSoap is our first ever device that features both automatic and manual modes for an elevated user experience, and comes equipped with both USB and USB-C ports so your device can charge faster while being sanitized. The inclusion of micro suction feet prevents it from accidentally being knocked over. And the ability to attach to a Kensington security lock ensures your HomeSoap always stays right where you left it. Designed to sanitize a wide range of objects around your home, staying healthy and clean has never been easier.